in today, we are going to start with chapter 10, that is heavenly bodies. So in this chapter, we will study about some heavenly bodies like Earth, Sun, Moon, stars and other planets that exists in the space and what we call them heavenly bodies. So first is Earth. So Earth is a planet and it means winter. The Earth is a part of solar system which have 7 other planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. Right, the Earth is the only planet which has life on it, and more than 2/3 of the Earth is water and rest is land. It's look like bright blue ball from the space. Why? Because blue ball की तरह क्यों लगती है? Why? Because it has water. It's sometimes called blue planet. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar system, which is 150 million kilometer away from the sun. Right, and the Earth spins like the top from the east to west and goes around the sun once every year. Right? So we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now shape of the Earth. Earth has round shape like an orange. In ancient times, people believed that Earth is flat. But with the passage of time, we have enough proofs to believe that Earth कैसा है? Sphere की तरह. Right? So it is believed that 500 years ago, some European sailors started their journey from point of Earth. And they reached the point from there they started. And what it shows that Earth is round in shape, right? If you observe a ship sailing in the sea, you will discover that the lower portion of the ship disappear first. जो lower portion होगा ना नीचे वाला वो पहले disappear होगा. Similarly, when you see a distant ship coming towards you, the tip part is visible first. This happens on the round surface only. कहाँ पे होता है ये round surface? Been on the moon, have taken pictures from the Earth from there. It clearly shows that Earth is round in shape. ये क्या show करता है कि Earth कैसा है? Round in shape है. So what are the movements of the Earth? Earth do 2 types of movement. First is rotation and second is revolution. Rotation, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and there is what it causes? Changes in day and night. Right? If we talk about revolution, it takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution and what it causes? Changes in the season में changes होता है, right? So these are the 2 types of movements that our Earth do. Now the sun. What is sun? It is a big star. ये big star है. It is like a big ball of fire and heat. It has its own light which reflects to the planet. Sun does not move. It is very hot because of the gases burning inside. ये बहुत hot है, right? And the sun produces heat and energy. And the heat and light energy reaches us in the form of sun rays. Plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. और जो heat है what को कैसा रखती है? Warm रखती है and enough for the human beings to live and grow. The sun is the life giver to all living beings. Next is moon. It is a natural satellite of the Earth and it's move. It does not have the light of its own, which we see in the reflection of sunlight from itself. The moon is much smaller than the Earth. It takes about 28 days to complete one round of the Earth and it also takes same time to revolve on its axis. We have new moon, crescent moon, your gibbous moon, full moon. These are the different types of moon and what we call it phases. From the Earth, we only see the part of the moon that are facing sun at that time due to changes in the position. जब change हो जाता है position में both Earth का moon का, we see different shapes of the moon every day and what we call it phases. For the first 14 days, the lighted part goes on increasing. जिसे हम waxing of the moon कहते हैं. After that, आपको कुछ time बाद क्या दिखाई देता है? Full moon दिखाई देता है, right? जिसको हम पूर्णिमा कहते हैं. After that, the moon start waning or lighted part goes on decreasing till we see no moon at all. और इस डे को क्या बोला जाता है? अमावस्या. ठीक है, stars जो होते हैं ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़े होते हैं, but or how we see they are very small. Why? Because they are very far away from us. The stars have light on their own. The sun is the brightest star. We do not see other star during the day and we see that the star twinkling at the night. Star कब twinkle करते हैं? Night में. They appear very small because they are much farther away from the Earth. Stars are found in the particular shape in the sky. और जो group of star है जो एक definite pattern form करता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Constellation. There are total 88 known constellations. And you can observe them at different times. Some of the most important are Orion, Ursa, Major and Scorpion. The group of 7 stars. जो group होता है 7 star को उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सप्तऋषि. Then we have Dhruv star और Pole star. वो कैसा है? वो bright star होता है which is in north direction. It helps to locate the north direction and is an unknown place at night. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.